Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101 and this is my channel, Best Styles Apartments. Hey, so I'm at the Alta Park Central and I'm at their pool, so I just want to show off the pool a little bit. And it's a really pretty pool. I mean, look at it. It's surrounded by this great building. It's got a good kind of community feel around the building. And then let's see the pool itself. I like it. It's got a lot of little features in it and kind of nooks and coves and stuff, little areas. So you've got 4 seats in the pool that are over here. You've got over here a grilling station. So this grilling station is really cool. So you can get that free gas and grill your chicken, your vegetables. You have over here more chairs and you can enjoy these chairs. There's umbrellas over there. This is a nice pool. It looks like a 3 feet 6 inches pool. It does have this area here. It's a pretty wide area. So you've got this over here. And then you've got also just some real nice areas over there to kind of congregate that are just kind of there with the little tables on both sides. So it's a really attractive pool. It's all new. It's in really good shape. It feels great, and it's just a super pretty pool. Hey, if you have questions anytime about anything you're seeing here at the Alta Park Central, send me a text. Just ask us questions anytime.